Hey everyone, this is Joel Carricker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. On this beautiful day, I hope y'all are doing great. I was called into a property in Dallas on a roof that is probably, we would say, that needed to be replaced a long time ago. Let me show you. When we go through, we're looking at a laminate architectural roof, a lot of granule loss, a lot of wear and tear. And you see all this, that's all that white stuff. That shine is just from fiberglass. So the granules that were once here is no longer here. However, we do have hail. The reason why I'm sharing this video with you, if you're ever in a situation with friends, family, yourself, that's you're not sure if it's too late to do a claim, too late to deal with it because of the age of the roof and the wear and tear, let me see if I can help you out. In this case, we're going to be meeting with the adjuster tomorrow, and we definitely have hail on the roof. And the biggest thing is the roof is not repairable. So that is going to be to the benefit of the homeowner. We're going to take care of a lot of different things at one time, not just replace the roof, but give it more adequate cross ventilation with the ridge vent, take these wind turbines away, and just really make the home breathe better, make it more efficient, and also work with the siding, the old siding that's on a lot of this property with a sort of hardy board style type of siding. But again, if there's anything that I can help you with, give me a shout. Again, my name is Joel Carricker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. You can reach me at 214-535-0888. Have a great day.